Hi everybody, we're in Avatar World and there's a new update. Let's see what's the update. And then on the shop. Oh wow, the mermaid, but it's not for free again. Want something free. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's there's the water park. So excited to get in. Still waiting? It's so long. Hurry up. It's gonna wait. Oh, there you go. There's the water park. Wait, that's just take out this. Okay. Cool. Wait, I just made Zilsa. I never bring this baby before. Oh yes, I remember. I bring that. Wait, what's happening? Excuse me, miss. I need your slippers or shoes, something. Those are slippers. I forgot. They're so fun. Whee! Oh yes, baby. Go swim. Wait, the baby just disappeared. Baby, where are you? Oh, you disappeared. Oh, we're just doing this, girl. Whee! Wait, do not go there. Just go there. Whee! Oh, that's why. What's this? I don't know any secrets, but soon I'm gonna show you. Wait. Can you get babies there? Can maybe go here? No? Maybe we could feed them? Peter.
Hey, patingnan nga na yung pinapakuluan ko.
Wow! Looks like
Natanggalan ha.
Whee!
Pinakuluan siya na tayo isasawag kaya. Gulay. Yan,
Coral.
ano mo na, patayin. Patayin mo na.
Wish you could break this out. We have no time. Yum! You like this? Wait, you don't have a toddler or a kid, so I'm just gonna make it, okay? Okay, we're here. I made a kid.
Para sure siya na. Dapat talaga ko nakadto. Parang sa mga tao, sa iba nagbarakalan na, ubos man. Pero mo man.
Okay, want to get a picture? Oh, so cute. Oh, some t-shirts. You want to try one? No, thank you. Wow, there's a hat. I like it. My first time. Oh, what's this?
Kumiturog talaga ako. Dawa-daman ako ginibo, nakapagal ko. Daman ako ginibo nga naramdaman.
Wow.
Nagluto siya na akong pamawan.
It's, those?
Si Unin, kadakal na ka nagibo.
Mauna na kayo.
Ay, ata nagbubunga apag.
Okay, I found out that is not that the entrance. Here's the entrance to the pool. Oh, what? Wait, what? Oh my. Oh my, there's a glitch. Oh wow, this is so cool. Almost good. You don't need the puddles. I don't want it. I don't know. Hey, there's a blaster. Whee! Oh yeah, some blasters. The viewers. Huh.
Dapat
Okay.
kaya ang mga relic food na ano. Dapat bago abag yung tinataunan yun.
Taon doon natapos na.
Ngani
I
ang
like it.
magaling
Oh, there's a shower. Oh, hi. Want to be playmates, of course.
Ako sa Daldo pala, pero di man kami kaiba. Pinagbalik-balik pero di man kami natawa.
Hindi talaga, binabali-bali na sana.
Pero di man kami
Do,
natawa.
do, 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 do. Oh, wow. Oh, little toddler. So cute.
Mga butang pinabi nila.
Oh, wow. Cool. Let's. Hey, everybody. I'm here. Ooh, I kind of know this. Let's first be here. So scared. Oh my. No. So cool. Oh my. Wee, I'm sliding.
Sa cellphone. Ay, pala,
Wee.
ibababa pa ngayon kung ba't pa kayo nagsiselfone?
Nalibang.
Sino ang nagsabi? Ibiw?
Okay, and
Di pwede mo
here.
para pa cellphone ta. Wala nang ugak.
Di ba ba
Ugak
here?
mag-adal, di ang pwede.
Bakal kami
Here.
naman.
Oh.
Talaga naman, tanong ko,
Get him back. Wait. Baby. The toddler. My baby.
Marinda?
Oo,
I miss
subakan
this.
to. Subaman.
Si Marinda?
Hindi ko yung sinusunod man ko na dati. Karoon na ako nagmamahal
Whee! What's this? Oh, there's a photo of
Kung
it?
nabungay ako. Bakit sinangay ako. Mag-ano na. Nunod ang yun. Putang mo. Ang amo na. Uy, ngayon. Hindi pa nagtatawa.
Sabi Margo?
Hindi ko sabi ko. Tawa na ako. Nagkatalikod pa tayo sila. Tinalik ako.
Yay! I'm on my
Pero kung
album.
pwede ka kangan di mo ka maapektuhan.
Ako na yan. Takabay ko sa nabagad. Tatapos
Amo?
ko dati.
Okay, we're here again.
Isip na.
Wait, we need a floaty. Where is it? I need a floaty.
Palulaman. Kaya so down.
Where's the stairs? I got nothing.
Wala to. Bukod ka.
Okay, I need this floaty.
Dahil.
Which one, the fish? Want this?
Isipin mo. Kamu nga hindi mo babahasad doon na uno. Naabot.
Whee!
Maabot.
Okay.
Dapat
Wait, there's a glitch.
Ipakuha mo na.
Paluway-luway yun na
Oh,
baga.
But we need safety.
Pagbawa mo.
Ang pating uran na dara ko nung ipipi kung makisugman. Pero ako muna nanalangin akong baad di man tatagdood ko nung mangyayari na na super typhoon. Wala man masyado na gana.
I'm afraid. How? I need safety.
Ano to?
Whee! I couldn't get the floaty.
Igin pa ko pa dito.
Whee! Wow! What? I want to turn it to nighttime. Because it's so slow. Okay, daytime. That's so cool. Wait, the sun looks like has ears.
Masusurvive man taadong nga ning ano. At taadong nga ning balita. Pero mga naragmaman sa ibang balita.
Whee! Why is not happy?
Nagkasin na sa naragma ko gaso.
Okay, everybody. I think this video is done now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Paraling ka mga dislocate.
Bye!
Kung isa'y nakakawas,